Hey guys, my name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist who specializes in helping patients recover from total knee replacement. So I love really high quality, really inexpensive products that help improve your recovery after a knee replacement. And this stretch strap from Pure PT, absolutely one of my favorites. So it's longer than most of the other stretch straps you're gonna see online. The nylon material is so soft, so smooth, so comfortable. It's so easy to use. And the thing that I really like about it, all of the stretch straps have these loops, but a lot of them, the loops are elastic, so they're stretchy, and it doesn't give me the tension I need to pull on the foot. These are the same material as the strap itself, so it doesn't stretch, but they're more than big enough to get your foot around. So let me show you two exercises. One is to improve flexion, one is to improve extension. They will absolutely help you during your knee replacement recovery program. So let me show you, everybody's familiar with the heel slide. One of the best ways to do it, so you can do this on your couch, you can do this on the bed, is you would place your foot away from you, you loop the stretch strap around the foot, and then I use this to assist as I flex my knee. I'm pulling in. One little tip, I like to keep the strap on the inside of the knee. I don't want the knee to collapse in. A lot of times before the knee replacement, we had what's called a valgus knee, almost a knock-kneed position. So when we're stretching, for the benefit of the hip, the benefit of the knee, the ankle, we want that knee to be on the outside of the stretch strap. And I'm just applying a little bit of tension. Now, I can just use the strap like normal. I can also place the loop around the foot and pull as I work on knee flexion. In a minute, I'm gonna show you how to work on knee extension using the same strap. All right, guys, so in the last video, I showed you how to use the stretch strap to work on heel slides to improve knee flexion. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it to improve knee extension. And most of the times when people think about knee extension, they think about pushing the knee straight. I find that as soon as you start pushing on the knee, your body's natural response is to resist that motion. So if I'm trying to push it down to get it straight, my brain, my nervous system, everything is designed to protect me. It's gonna force me to actually resist and flex the knee. What I find that works better for knee extension is traction, pulling at the ankle to gently straighten the knee as opposed to pushing down from the knee to move it into a straight position. So let me show you how to generate some traction using the stretch strap at home. This is one of my favorites. First thing you're gonna do, you can grab any of these loops. I'm just gonna use the handle loop. What I do is I place it on the inside of the doorknob, so there's no way for it to slip off. Even if you have round doorknobs like a typical home doorknob, if you place it on the inside and close the door, because of the soft nylon, it'll close, it won't mark up the walls or anything, and it remains secure to help you make sure that you can do this comfortably. What you would do, typically you can leave your shoes on or off. You're gonna find the strap where the loop touches the floor. And then from there, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna slide my foot right through that loop, and I'm gonna start to back up. So at this point, you can see that my foot is on the floor, my foot is supported. As I back up into the chair, what starts to happen is the traction initiates, the strap is pulling me forward, my knee is going into a little bit of extension. And so from here, all I want to do is I can flex and I can extend. This contract relax strategy helps to get the musculature to calm down, helps the joint to relax and extend. And then as my range of motion improves, I would move the chair back a little bit further. I could do another series of these contract relax. It looks very similar to the heel slide. It's just opposite direction. Now my leg is being pulled straight instead of being pulled into flexion. And then as I continue to back the chair up, you can see that my knee will continue to get pulled into this traction position. So you can be as aggressive or as conservative as you want. This is a very aggressive position, but if I wasn't ready for that, I could just come right in here where my foot's in contact with the floor and just back up an inch. And then even from here, I can do a little bit of pendulum. I can do the contract, relax. It is a very, very comfortable position. We should not be increasing pain in any way.